Bicol!
Apretada!
Sardinas! Ami! Oh, that's it!
You can at least try to start using the word please, and maybe then we could start over by being friends. Don't try, don't
Okay,
try.
tapos na tayo kumain. At ligo muna tayo tapos bago tayo ligo. Kanina umaraw ng konti, pero mas gusto namin yung medyo makulimlim lang na umambo ng buwan. Mas trip namin yun. Tara.
Ligo tayo ulit.
She said, let me tell you everything I've seen, friends I've made, and then tell me how it's been. Look a little closer, it's been
Balik na tayo.
quite some time.
Ma?
You gotta let me know
Ano ba?
if I'm out.
Ay, naku, ha?
Maligo ka?
Maligo sana.
Saan?
Dito sa CR.
Bakit sa ilog?
Baka malamig.
Ayaw mo?
Masarap ba?
Malamig masyado.